Oh, good. Okay, we're live. It's Monday. I have our newest member, Julia Jowett, who is an amazing PA that's been with our practice now a few months.
Yes.
But we thought we would do, she makes these amazing reels on her own social media, but not so much her voice sometimes.
No.
So we thought we would do like an introduction to all of our Art of Skin MD family so that everybody would get an opportunity to meet Julia. We'll talk a little bit about her background. We happen to be in the Art of Skin MD Annex, which I know some patients have been over, and it tends to be where some of the patient rooms that our physician assistants work out of, although they work in the main clinic where I usually am hanging out, and our research is over here too. So maybe, Julia, you could start with just like a little bit of your educational background, kind of background, work experience so far.
Yeah, hi everyone. It's so nice to chat with you all. So I have been working in aesthetics for over almost 11 years, over 11 years. I am originally from the East Coast. I completed my undergrad at the University of Georgia, trained for my PA master's in DC at George Washington University, and then I quickly hopped on a plane out to San Diego after that and just never left. I've been here practicing.
Same here. So I totally get that.
I didn't, always plan to start or work in aesthetics. It's something that just kind of fell into my lap, to be honest. And the longer I worked in it, the more I realized that it's really what I wanted to devote my career to. I spent time working with different plastic surgeons, and that's where I gained most of my training. I found Dr. Palm earlier this year and just really connected with her way of practicing and her patient-focused and patient-centered care that she gives. We really focus on, kind of the whole patient and not just one component. So every patient that comes in gets a full consultation, and we address, skincare down to the details, laser plan, energy-based devices, injectables. I've been able to, I've been here since April. I've been able to learn so much under her already, and I feel like we're just getting started. I'm really just getting my feet running and getting to know all of you. I've been really, it's been wonderful to meet a lot of the patients that have been coming here since 2015, 2013. I look at their medical record and I'm like, wow, they're, the loyal following, it really comes with trust in her and the team that she's put together. Anyone that you come in and see, from the front desk to the MAs, a lot of them have been here that whole time as well. And they're all wonderful and share those same values. So every time we, interact with a patient, it's just kind of this wonderful, encompassing process. You see one person that walks you back or with you the entire time while I'm in there consulting with you. And I just think that continuity of care makes the experience better for the patient. The things that I love doing the most are really combination treatment plans. So when you come in, there's never going to be a time where I say, let's do the same thing we did last time, let's do the same thing we did last time, because that's when people start to get that augmented artificial look. I really pride myself in being able to do, tons of devices. So any device that Dr. Palm has, I'm eagerly, can I learn it? Can I learn it? What else can I do? And combine that with injectables, with biostimulants, and learning all of her techniques and, off face areas and, really advancing in those areas. So I think that so far we make a really great team, and I'm excited for our PA Stephanie to come back from maternity leave. She comes back this week. So we're going to make an effort to just do a little series of these and pop on and go through things that maybe you guys want to learn about more, ways that we can help educate and really inform on what is going on here, because there are always things behind the scenes happening in research and the newest techniques and what Dr. Palm is speaking on. So we're really excited to bring that to you. If there is anything, you can put it in the comments or send us questions, but we have some fun things already prepared for that.
Yeah, I love that. And I think Julia's been such a lovely addition. I think we have a similar approach to patients. I mean, we really spend a lot of time. We want to get to know them as an individual. Like, what are their challenges? Are there big milestones coming up in their life? Is there, is this just maintenance treatment? And I think that approach to sort of comprehensively treating the patient and not just being sort of like a one and done. Like, that's just not our jam as a practice. I mean, we really want to get to know people, and I've been entrenched in the community here in North County, San Diego since 2010, which I cannot even believe I'm saying that. And the practice has been here since 2012, and I think we've built a reputation for just really caring, taking time, and being a boutique practice that is bespoke and sort of the needs of our patients. And so I can't wait. If you haven't met Julia and Stephanie, they're just lovely additions. Georgia is about to say something. I can't wait. she's such a little ham and she wants to be a part of that. But I think it just goes to prove we really work as a team. And so we're really looking forward. We would love to hear what you guys want to hear about. We're going to definitely do some topical Instagram lives on, common procedures. Both of us have a love of collagen stimulators off face, so we've been doing a lot of, that's something I lecture quite a bit from Dubai, and I'm going to be in Australia lecturing, and we're going to be in Paris talking about similar things too. So, how do we use some of the injectables and devices that we have in a complementary way, and if we're beyond the face, how are we kind of rejuvenating the body? And I think my approach has just been, bringing us back to center and rejuvenating in a very sort of natural way where we're just sort of blossoming the very best version of everyone. And I think Julie has a similar approach. So we really look forward to these little fireside chats. We're going to continue from summer on. And we'll try and do them, every couple weeks or so. If we're getting really ambitious, maybe we'll do it more frequently. But really want to be appropriate to what you guys have questions, concerns, things you're seeing in social media. So with that, Georgia's probably going to lead us out and give me a kiss, yes. Okay. And so we look forward to it. We'll see you guys on the next Instagram Live, and hope you guys have a great week.
Bye.
Bye.